Hello, and welcome to Classroom Central's virtual supply drive. Thank you for joining us for a demonstration on how to set up your organization with their very own supply drive page, where employees, neighbors, members can make a monetary donation or a school supply donation in support of our teachers and students. First step, visit classroomcentral.org/9schooltools to learn about our 9 School Tools campaign and to host our virtual supply drive. The campaign will run from July 6th through August 31st, 2020. To get started, click Host a Virtual Supply Drive. You are now on our virtual supply drive homepage. Select Host Your Own Supply Drive. Register for 9 School Tools Virtual Supply Drive and enter your email address. Create account. Enter your first name, and your password. Now you will select, I want to add my company as a supply drive host, or if you're an individual fundraiser, I'm an individual fundraiser not affiliated with the company. Create team fundraiser. Select your company's name and your fundraising goal. Enter in your address for your company. This is for a personal fundraising goal and does not connect with your company's fundraising goal. If you're a company fundraising, leave this at 0. You have the option to purchase merchandise to kick off your fundraiser or continue registration. Once you have looked at your personal information to make sure it's all correct and that your company name, please complete registration. Now your company is registered with their own fundraising page. Up in the right-hand corner by your name, hover over My Fundraising Tools and select Team Fundraising. This will take you to your team fundraising dashboard. You are now a team captain. If you like, you can update your team's goal by selecting here and updating your fundraising goal at any time. 3 areas of focus are going to be our team, edit my team page, and resources. Let's get started editing my team page. First of all, change your logo here. Edit the language in the first box with your company's information about your organization at the very top. Once, hit update and save page. Then add your team captain information. Team captain, team contact email for any questions that anybody might have. Once you've edited your page, save, revisit your team fundraising dashboard. And on our team fundraising dashboard, we can view team page. All of your edits will show up here. You can copy your browser right here at the top, your link in your browser. Areas of focus here for when you send your link out are going to be donate dollars and donate school supplies. These are the 2 ways that employees can get involved. To donate dollars, click Donate Dollars, select the amount. If your organization matches gifts, They can select here and then complete your purchase. Once you've completed your donation, your $100 will show up in your fundraising thermometer. The secondary way is to donate school supplies. To donate school supplies, you will, number one, select your team's fundraiser. And then you have the option to purchase a class set of all of our 9 items or a class set of individual items. And individual items themselves that comes in packs on 2 and 3. Let's select pencils. Once you've added your purchase to your cart, you can check out, complete purchase. And once the purchase has been made, the $9 will show up into your fundraising dashboard with supporters below. A third area of focus is resources. We have available marketing materials to include a 15-page toolkit about 9 school tools, copy and paste emails that you can send out during your campaign, which we recommend doing once a week to include your virtual link, copy and paste social media posts to include your link as well. We have a flyer about Classroom Central, a collection barrel poster that you can print, and social media graphics as well. Visit our team. A secondary way to select your team page is to copy my team URL. Thank you for creating a 9 School Tools fundraiser. If you have any questions, please contact Darden, D-A-R-D-E-N, at classroomcentral.org. Thank you so much.